What are the things that a virtual assistant do every day? Is it just admin work? Accounting? Does it go beyond that? Today, we're gonna get clear on the real duties of a virtual assistant and how to choose the ones that best work for you. When I was starting, I would say yes to every duty that was given to me. I'd always say, why not, right? Because as a virtual assistant, you always have to keep learning new things and you're like the person who always explores. The problem was I spread myself too thin. Now, once I focused on the duties I was naturally good at, I became more confident, delivered best results or better results, and clients started sticking around. Now, let's break down the most common virtual assistant duties you'll see in job posts and client requests, and talk about which ones might be the right one for you. You don't need to master all of these duties. You just need to master at least 2 to 3 that match your strength and build from there. What are the duties of a virtual assistant? By the end of this lesson, learners will first, clearly understand the core day-to-day duties of a virtual assistant. Second, identify the difference between general admin tasks and specialized services. And lastly, match their personal skills to VA duties they can start offering right away. You'll learn how to connect your current abilities to in-demand VA duties, even if you've never had a VA job before, so you can confidently market your services from day one. If you've ever replied to an email, organized an event, or posted on social media, you've already done part of a VA's job. You just didn't know you could get paid for it. I still remember my first VA job description. It sounded so official. Email management, calendar scheduling, database updates. I thought, I've never done that. But then I realized I'd been organizing ministry events for years, emailing volunteers, updating spreadsheets. I had already been doing these duties, just not for a client. That's when I learned VA work isn't starting from zero, it's leveling up what you already know. So let's break down exactly what kinds of duties virtual assistants handle every day so you can see where your own skills fit in. 1. General administrative duties. Let's start with the basics. Almost every VA will handle some kind of admin work, especially in the beginning: email management, calendar scheduling, data entry, and document formatting. Mastering simple tools like Google Workspace makes you look professional right from the start. But VA work isn't just about organizing, it's also about communicating effectively. 2. Communication and client support. Customer service via email chat, following up with leads, handling FAQs. A polite, professional tone builds trust faster than any tech skill. Now, many clients also need help showing up online, and that's where social media support comes in. 3. Social media and content support, scheduling posts, basic graphic design, responding to comments and messages. Keep a content bank of reusable ideas, graphics, and captions to save you and your client time. And as you gain confidence, you can branch out into more specialized services. This is where you start to increase your rates. 4. Specialized services for growth. Bookkeeping support, podcast video editing, website content updates. Start simple with what you already know. Then add one new skill every quarter to expand your service list. Add one new skill every quarter. This keeps your services fresh and in demand. Tools you might use: communication, Gmail, Zoom, Slack, project management, Trello, Asana Design, Canva, free organization, Google Docs, Google Sheets. Get the free tools list in the learning resources you may start using to get ready as a VA. Now that you know what VAs actually do, let's turn that knowledge into something practical you can use to market yourself. Learning activities build your VA profile. Description and menu list. Here's your task. You're going to start shaping your professional VA profile so you can present yourself to clients with confidence. Step 1. Download the provided document containing ChatGPT prompts. Step 2. Use these prompts to create either a complete or partial profile description for platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Step 3. Use the same prompts to list your VA services menu. The tasks you can confidently offer. By the end of this activity, you'll have a compelling profile description and a clear service list ready to share with clients. Once your draft profile and service menu are ready, post them in our community under # My VA Launchpad profile so we can give you feedback and cheer you on. Quick recap. Today we covered the main duties of VA, the tools you might use, and how to match those duties with your current skills. And now, you've taken the first step toward creating a professional profile that will attract the right clients. In Lesson 3, we'll answer a big question. What kind of service is a virtual assistant work, and why knowing this changes the way you market yourself?